The front cabinets had a 45-degree cutting design with rounded edges, creating a sleek and spacious appearance. The design is not only visually appealing but also highly functional. The lacquer cabinet enhances the overall aesthetic of the space, making it look more expensive, and the traditional cabinets beside offer an ample storage capacity, so it's enhanced the overall function for the kitchen. The cabinets at the back accommodated built-in oven, well not only for oven, or maybe for microwave and more, ensuring a more compact and organized kitchen layout. On the side, a large storage area is thoughtfully designed, utilizing a pull-out system for comprehensive storage, offering additional storage space. The back includes a side-by-side refrigerators integrated into the cabinets, which can avoid any wasting for space and money. Furthermore, the door panel can be separate both top and bottom, which enhance the accessibility and the convenience. It's all customized. We can make all the orders by your need.